Hey guys, how's it going? This is Danish here from Tech Radar Middle East, and today we saw the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Here's everything you need to know about the device in under 2 minutes. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes powered with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor. That is a mouthful. But that's the processor it comes with, and it is blazing fast, especially with this new dock that's on the bottom of the device. Multitasking has never been easier, and it's one of the features I loved seeing the most on the device. Before we go any further, a sub to the channel and a like to this video would be highly appreciated. The next major upgrade comes with the camera. Finally, we get flagship cameras on a folding phone. The Z Fold 4 comes with the same cameras that we get on the S22 Plus. That is a 50 megapixel wide, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. One thing I was slightly disappointed to see was that the under display camera remains 4 megapixel but has been hidden better this year. On the front, we've got the same old 10 megapixel camera that Samsung has been using from the S10. That being said, this is a foldable device and you can use those new rear cameras for selfies. The phone is just a slight bit thinner, has smaller bezels, and is a bit lighter. On paper, those numbers aren't much, but in real world use, you do get great feel in the hand. Careless users out there, don't worry. The phone on the front as well as the back comes with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. As far as the display is concerned, we have the same 120Hz high refresh rate display, but we do now get the display going to as low as 1 Hz. The battery remains the same at 4400 milliamps, but with the new processor, we hope to see a better battery life. That's it for now. There will be a review coming, so don't forget to like and subscribe for that. And thank you very much for watching.